in front of you because life begins at 50. Ay, hindi ka pa pala 50! Naka-gold ka kasi kala ko golden girl. So, yun. Marami pa ang pwede mo pang makita and pwede mo pang time. Kung hihingan man ako ng bagong sister in the next life, kung ano man ako, lamok man, paro-paro, gusto ko ikaw pa rin yung ate ko. Yes, kahit yung lamok 3 days lang ang buhay, okay na ako dun. Ikaw pa rin yung hihingan.
Okay.
First of all, thank you guys for coming. Thank you for your time. And thank you for your love, most especially. I feel so loved and I feel so... my birthday. And this is another moment, another milestone, and I'm healthy. And I know my purpose. I will serve my purpose no matter what. So thank you and I love you.
Sawadika! Sawadika from Thailand!
Guwapa niya ko eh.
But not!
Cheers, man!
Hindi na siya umuwi.
PM, come on. Message naman for Archie. For Mana, please. Oo, kasi meron pang 3 eh.
Hotel. Mabait ka talaga sa lahat. Happy birthday. Love you.
Yes! Ang dahil!
Happy birthday to you, me. Ayan, sis, happy birthday. Una sa lahat, thank you so much, everybody.
And thank you for your love, most especially. I feel so loved and I feel so...
Sabi na, I feel so loved. Wala, naiyak siya! Iiyak na yan.